Hi guys, how are you? In this video, I just want to talk about that 2020 has been started. Today is the first day of 2020 and many of you might be curious that what should we learn in this new year? You might be beginner or you might already have been working on any specific technology, but you are curious about 2020 and upcoming years. So I've seen many videos on the internet that says top 10 languages to learn in this year, top 20 languages to learn in this year. So that's not what I'm gonna do. It's not possible, it's not convenient to learn 10 technologies in an year. I usually say that it's good to learn one technology, it's good to be proficient in one technologies rather than having little bit knowledge in multiple tens and twenties of programming languages. So I won't be talking about 10 or 15 languages. I will only be specific. I will only be talking about two, three things, and that is the future of technologies. So I'll be starting with the Stack Overflow Developer Survey results 2019, and I will also be using my experience in development industry. Before going further, I just want to let you guys know that I have made another channel for tech reviews and a lot more things in my vlogging channel, which is called Umair aka Mirza. I would request you guys to support me and come to this channel and subscribe my channel. I have given the link of my channel in the description below. Thank you so much. Here in the list, these are the most popular technologies were being used in 2019. And I will also be discussing my own experience that which languages I have been using considering the list this website has given to us. So I'll start off with most popular technologies. So JavaScript was being used 67.8% of times. So why is it so? According to me, according to my experience, JavaScript is not only used because of its core vanilla syntax, but there are a lot more things in JavaScript. There are a lot more frameworks in JavaScript that are being used very largely. Let's say that there are technologies React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, Node.js, Express, Electron.js, Meteor.js, Keystone.js, and a lot of libraries and technologies which are being used. And this specific percentage is combined of all those technologies, okay? All those libraries, all those technologies. So I'll start off with JavaScript. If you want to start off with learning JavaScript, if I go and open up the JavaScript, for the seventh row, you can see what it's written over here. Let me just zoom in. It says for the seventh year in a row, JavaScript is the most commonly used programming languages. Continuously in a row, JavaScript is being used, but Python has risen, which I'm going to talk about in few minutes. So JavaScript has a lot of job opportunities. JavaScript have a lot of things. JavaScript is not going anywhere because of its technologies, because of its frameworks, libraries, and for backend it has a big package manager for Node, npm, Node Package Manager. Okay, and it's not going anywhere. Node Package Manager is being used in other technologies as well, and Node is responsible to install different dependencies for those technologies. So JavaScript, if you want to start off with a new technology, if you want to start off with the new programming language, I would recommend you guys that learn JavaScript, learn how to build a proper apps. Don't just learn the syntax, but learn to build apps using the technologies. And it's better to learn one technology in a way that you are able to build apps, not in a way that you know how to write the JavaScript and what is the syntax of writing hello world, loops, functions, classes, and object oriented programming. And that's not enough. You need to know how to build apps using the technologies. So what you can do using JavaScript, you can build web apps. You can build backend with JavaScript, you can build front end, and JavaScript syntax is being followed by the database, NoSQL database called MongoDB. You can use it. JavaScript is being used in hybrid mobile applications. Let's say we have the React Native is being highly used through JavaScript, that is used to build hybrid mobile apps. Hybrid means write one code and deploy the app in multiple platforms: iOS, Windows, Android. And JavaScript is also being used for building desktop apps. And JavaScript has provided us Electron.js that is used to let me open up the Electron.js, and it is being used for building front desktop applications. Okay, so JavaScript is everywhere. JavaScript is not going anywhere in next 5 to 10 years. Okay, and the next technology I want to talk about, Python. Okay, Python, if I go to its website, Python is largely used mainly for machine learning, artificial intelligence, for data science, big data, and this is the future of technologies. Technology is getting involved, and we need to keep ourselves updated with new technologies. So, if I show you why Python is used and for what Python is used, for web development it is used and it provides a lot of frameworks. For web development, Django is widely used framework. I've also used Django, Pyramid, Bottle, Torrento, Flask, Web2Py, and a lot more web frameworks it provides. GUI development, it provides a lot of libraries that let us build graphical user interface for mathematical purposes, for different graphical interfaces. Okay, it provides a scientific and numeric. It means data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and SkyPy, Pandas, IPython are the libraries, frameworks that let us write proper code to actually implement related to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Software development, it provides us the network thing. We can build chatbots, we can build a lot of network applications, and Python is also everywhere. I'll keep the Python at the second spot because it is very big. It's the future, because Python is being used for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and machine learning is the future of technologies. You need to get yourself updated with machine learning if you want to stay in industry, because you will be replaced with artificial intelligence in the future. So you need to learn Python. You need to learn Python for artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning. And one big website that I would recommend you guys, if you want to go to the data science, that is the DataCamp website. It is really good, guys. DataCamp provide us a lot of if I go here and see all courses, and it provides us variety of Python R courses. R is related to artificial intelligence, SQL, Python, and these are the technologies this website is teaching. It's using to teach people. Okay, and its main focus is R and Python. These are related to artificial intelligence, neuroscience. You can see it's teaching theory as well. So get the subscription. I don't know what's the subscription cost nowadays for this website. It's the best website if you want to learn data science and machine learning. Okay, so now I have explained what is Java, why to use JavaScript, why to use Python, and lastly, I won't go to many more technologies. This is enough for you guys. You can't learn 10 languages in a year. You can't be proficient in 10 languages. So better to stick in one and at most two technologies for 2020. So I will keep Java at the third spot. Okay, because Java has a big community for enterprise desktop applications. Desktop applications require a lot of libraries, big community, a lot of support. JavaScript is platform independent. Platform independent means that you can run Java code in multiple operating systems and it's gonna run. Java has different standards. Java Standard Edition, and this is the Java Enterprise Edition. So Java Enterprise Edition actually is being used a lot for enterprise applications. It provides asynchronous threading threads where we can build networks, we can build servers, we can build APIs using Java, and it provides a lot of servlet Java APIs. You can see it provides for JSON processing, security, bean validation, common annotations, and a lot more things. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn programming, I would say you need to learn Java first, because uh, Java will explain you guys that how to write a code, how the object-oriented programming come into existence, how the data structure is being constructed. And I want Go. You can also learn Python if you are a beginner, but Python actually is a wrapper of a lot of things. Python provide a lot of built-in things, and you will it will take time for you guys to actually understand what's going on at the back. So you need to learn and understand the core of programming, how the program is written, how the program is processed and compiled. So I would recommend you guys to start with Java. Okay. So guys, first one is JavaScript. That's awesome. That's not going anywhere. Second one is Python. And I would say JavaScript for web and mobile apps, for hybrid mobile apps, and Python for data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and Java for desktop enterprise level application and backend serverlets and writing APIs. You can also choose Java for that. So these three technologies, I won't get you confused, guys, because if I explain 10 technologies, you will get confused. But I have only explained three technologies, and I hope that you have got the idea and go ahead, learn something new every day. And this is the only way to keep yourself not to get bored because of repetitive things you do every day. Okay, keep learn new thing, a little bit thing. Start reading articles every day, start reading listening conferences every day for a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and that will keep you relaxed and confident that you have learned something new. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope that you have liked my video and you will learn something new in 2020. Happy New Year, and wish you best of luck for the future. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting notification for upcoming videos.